Hello everyone, this is Shugo. This is the first lecture for course introduction. This video doesn't talk about any economic concepts, rather I'll talk about how to use the Blackboard in this course. Now we are in the announcement page of the Blackboard. You can see my welcome message. I really want you to check this page at least once a day, especially during the winter session, because I may change contents of lectures or assignments. So if you don't check these things, you might miss something important. Then next, let me go to faculty information. This is the faculty information page. You can find my email address and office location. I know this is online course, but actually I'm living on the campus at New York, so if you want to meet with me, you might make an appointment via email. Also, if you are interested in my practical background, you might check this personal link. Let me summarize my practical career. I worked for the central government of Japan for 8.5 years, and then I firstly worked for the Ministry of Infrastructure, and then I worked for the Embassy of Japan in Uganda as a diplomat. Now we go to syllabus page. This is the syllabus page. What you should firstly do is to download this syllabus, because syllabus has everything about this course. So let's download this. Now you see the syllabus. I don't talk about course description and learning objectives, so please read these by yourself. But let me talk more about assignments and schedule of the entire course. So first good news for me is that you don't need to buy any textbooks because I scanned all the readings, and you can get these readings from the Blackboard. I'd be happy if you could appreciate my efforts to do so. And then you can see course requirements. Class participation accounts for 20% of grading, and 4 sets of quiz account for 40% of your grading. In the class participation, you are required to make comments on my discussion questions of each lecture, and I'll post these questions on the scheduled date of the lectures, so you can work early on these things. Also, regarding quizzes, you'll get my quiz assignments on the first day of lecture 3, 5, 8, and 11. So you can work early on these things. And this is very important. Please submit your answer sheets to the Blackboard. You will get answer sheets from the course document page, and if you submit that WAR file via email, I cannot grade that. And the most difficult assignment of this course would be the final paper. Please submit it to the Blackboard again, and I'm using the software Turnitin, which can find plagiarism. So you cannot copy and paste internet sources or other students' papers. And also, I already uploaded the instruction of final paper, so you can find what kind of topics you should choose, or what kind of structure you should have, or what kind of economic series you should select. And since writing a paper takes much time, I highly recommend you to work early on this final paper assignment. So that's the main reason why I already uploaded the instruction of final paper. This is a course schedule. You can find main topics and scheduled dates of each lecture. Please note that this first lecture is scheduled on December 23rd, and after 9 days, you'll start to have main lectures from January 2nd to 14th. So again, you might read all the readings before having the main lectures. And then we move to the course documents page where you can get reading materials. This is a course document page. I already uploaded all the reading materials and the lecture slides. I also will post my narrated presentation, and then you'll find YouTube links for these things. Please note that I already uploaded the instruction of term paper here. So you can start to think about your topics of term paper from now. And then we move to assignment page. This is the assignment page. You can find 4 sets of quizzes and term paper. Again, instead of emailing, please submit all the answer sheets and papers to this assignment page. As I said, I'm using Turnitin software, which can find plagiarism. So you cannot copy and paste internet sources and other students' papers. Turnitin can detect such plagiarism. Please don't do that. So lastly, we go to discussion board. This is a discussion board. I already posted questions for this first lecture. I'm asking you to introduce yourself. Your response to these questions are not graded, but I want all of you to answer these questions since I and your classmates want to know about you. On the other hand, from the second lecture, I will grade your response to my discussion questions. So please be ready to do so. This is the end of this lecture. If you have questions, please ask me via email. Thank you.